Boy's eating his rice and playing basketball. I'm watching the 49ers. And touchdown. Go make a basket. Go. Go make a basket. This is you. Looks like my prediction's going to come true, huh?
This happens. Bengals are winning.
They have to. It's destiny. Right, watch, Kai. Go get it. Go get it. And go bounce the ball. Bounce, bounce. Go. I pause it. Go. Put it in the basket. Yay! Clap. Yay! Yay! Do it again. Do it again. Yay! Do it. Do it. Oh. Uh-oh. Fix it. Push it up. You broke the backboard. Uh-oh. Fix it. Yay! Clap. Yay! Yay! Yeah! Go do it again. Yay! Let me fix it for you. Hold on. The baby boy needs Papa's help. There we go. Do it. You gotta make the basket. Go for the shot. Nope. Do it again. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Go, go. Yay! Clap. Yay! Okay, love you. Goodbye.